Hey guys, in this video we're going to be mounting a Displate poster. So I'm going to take you step by step through the process. So when you order through Displate, you normally get a mounting kit with your poster, but this one is pre-existent. As you can tell, like, I've got a fair few. So I'm going to walk you through the steps. You know, I've been doing this for years, man, so I can help you. So essentially you can get one of these packs, and these take like a week to come. And what they have is just a whole bunch of mounts. So let's have a look, see. I ordered this online, doesn't cost very much. So they've actually renewed a lot of this. So you get like a sticker pack, which is kind of cool. I like the stickers, but that's not what we're here for. We're here for the mounting plate. So that's what it looks like. And then we also get a bunch of these. So these are your magnets. So it's super easy to put on, super easy. So I ordered 9, so that's like 3 per each thing. And it even comes with the assembly guide right here. It just tells you to rub the walls. It tells you to basically remove all air bubbles, but I'll show you how to do everything the right way, just in case you get stuck. You first want to start off with this. So this is your protective leaf. So we're basically gonna put it here on the wall, and then we're gonna mount this on top, and then you mount your poster straight afterwards. So I'll take you through exactly what to do. So let's start with the protective leaf. So all we have to do is really just take off an edge. You also want to figure out exactly where you want it. So it doesn't matter if it's like this way or this way, it's still going to be okay. Like, you don't have to stress that much about the placement of exactly where this is. You want it somewhere in the middle there. So you want to figure out, okay, where's the spacing? So I'm going to probably put it around here. That way there's enough space in between this object and then this. So you want somewhere in the middle there, and then you want to start with a corner of this protective leaf right here. So just taking off a little bit, and then you don't want to sort of take off the whole thing, otherwise there's just going to be so many bubbles to deal with. So the goal here is to not make sure that there's any bubbles, essentially. Perfect, okay. And as you can see, 0 bubbles so far. As we can see, it's down flat, there's no bubbles, there's nothing to worry about. I'll even do a close-up for you. So as you can see, no bubbles or anything. And you slowly just want to sort of push this as you go, take out this back as you go, and just slowly go for it, because the slower it is, the actual better it is, because there's no bubbles and it's going to be able to mount on just fine. Yep, there's a line there or two, but at the end of the day, it's not too bad. Now, a lot of people just do it straight. I'm doing it diagonally. It's fine. It's gonna be okay. And maybe there'll be a comment or two as to like, why'd you not do it straight? Well, it's actually easier to do it this way. Because that way, this thing is coming up. That makes my life a lot easier when it comes to mounting these. And you just sort of want to do it slowly. You don't want to do it too fast. And as you can see, there's barely any bubbles. There is one here, but we're straightening it out and it doesn't seem to be an issue whatsoever. So that's cool, that's really cool. And remember guys, like, no one's seeing this on the other end. Like, you're seeing the poster, you're not actually seeing this. So don't stress too much if there is a bubble or two. And as you can see, it's really coming out really well, guys. Boom, look at that. That protective leaf. There's a few sort of little bubbles there and stuff, but it's not too bad. You're gonna get those lines. But at the end of the day, that's probably as good as it's gonna get, most likely. Okay, perfect. And then all we have to do is put this magnet on top. That's all we have to do, guys. So for this one, straight off, and just make sure you get it straight in the middle there. Line it up with your fingers, and boom. That's all you have to do. And you just want to press and hold for 5 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, a few extra seconds just in case. But man, that should be perfectly fine. And then that's it. Okay, now we can put our poster on top. That's all we have to do, guys. And just make sure that your poster is aligned. You could use a spirit leveler to make sure that the bottom is straight lined. As you can see, it's looking pretty good, guys. There you go, my friends. So this is how we can mount a Displate poster. And remember, yeah, you could use a spirit leveler just to level this out, make sure it's in the center. And there we go. That's pretty much it. That's all you have to do to mount a Displate poster. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to see more. And I'll see you guys next time.